Hey everybody, it's Genesee, and I'm out in the backyard, and tomorrow it's going to be a little busy here because I'm going to have some work done in the backyard. I'm going to have a couple trees cut down, and that one there, and the one right next to it, that one right there. And as you can see, they don't have any leaves on them. They are ash trees. And the other ash with a lot of blonding on it right here is this one, right there. And then they're going to trim up some of the limbs on the big one right behind me, which is that one. Got some dead limbs right there. They're going to take those off. Make that one feel a little bit more comfortable in its old age. But yeah, these are ash trees. And thank you very much, Emerald Ash Borer, for your lovely assistance in ending these trees earlier than they should. Oh man, these gnats. Hey everybody, it's Editing Jenna, and I'm just going to fast forward to this part because I just continue to drone on about the emerald ash borer and the ash trees. And so yeah, let's just skip to the video, and I'm going to skip inside because these gnats are nasty today. All right, bye. And I almost forgot, thank you Eric and everybody at Bartlett Tree Service for going above and beyond. You did way more than I asked, way more than I expected. You helped me out so much, and I just again want to say thank you. Look out below. Wow, that made a mess.
And then I got a helmet. I got hit over the head with a gravel. Oh yeah. That's funny. The helmet. It's like a magnet. Yeah.